Hello everyone, I am Davide, product manager from Berix. Today I'm here because I want to share with you one of the latest features we have implemented in the RetailPlayer devices. In fact, we've just released recently a new firmware update related to the version 5.3, and this new version is including an important feature. The feature is about connecting your RetailPlayer device to a wireless network. So you know that you already can use the Ethernet cable, but from now on you can also use a Wi-Fi dongle to connect your device to a network. And I want to explain to you how exactly this process works. First of all, you of course need your RetailPlayer device, and then you need a Wi-Fi USB dongle like this one. Now, in this version, the only chipset supported is the Realtek RTL 8188EU. It's on the release notes on the website is available a full list of vendors and models compatible with the device. When you have your USB dongle, you just plug it into one of the USB ports in front of the device. It doesn't matter which one you use. You can use whatever one you want. And then, of course, just plug your amplification system. And let's go into the web user interface and see how it works. Okay, so here we are, connected to the web user interface of the RetailPlayer device. This is my IP address, and the settings page of firmware version 5.3, as you can see, is including the wireless section, where you can configure your dongle to connect to an SSID. Now, this is the initial condition. No dongle is plugged, so let me just plug mine. Just wait few seconds after you plugged the device and refresh the page. Now it says not configured, so it means that the dongle is identified by the system, and you have a list of available SSIDs that are identified from the dongle itself. Now, when I select an SSID, you can see a full list of values and configuration are prompted. So insert the password of your SSID. Once the password is inserted, an important consideration that you have to take into account is the method. In the current version, only DHCP is supported from the wireless interface. And you have to make sure that both Ethernet and wireless are on DHCP method of assignment. If not, the device will not get the IP address correctly. So make sure that DHCP is selected. Once you have done, just click on Submit, and the device will reboot. So the configuration is applied, and once the device is rebooted, if you have your Sonic IP function activated, you will hear the IP address of the device. So it will announce again the Ethernet interface address. In this moment, in fact, you have both interfaces connected to your network. One is the Ethernet and the other one is the wireless one. Once we have configured for the first time the wireless, then you can turn off the device and detach the Ethernet cable and connect to your device only through the wireless IP address. Now let's wait a few more seconds and you will hear the IP address of my device.
192.168.8.105.
Perfect. Just click here to return to the home page. And as you can see now, the wireless reports connected. This means that the connection is established. We can hear some nice music here. Okay. How do you know now that your wireless connection has a correct IP address? Just head up to the status page, and here, wireless connection, you can see the IP address of the wireless interface. Let me try to connect to it. Good. As you can see, now I'm connected to the wireless interface of my device. If I want now, I can turn off my RetailPlayer, detach the Ethernet cable, and just turn it back on and just connect to this IP address. And I have my device working in wireless mode. I can monitor my device from the portal. So if you already own a RetailPlayer solution, just connect to your device, and in the status you can verify actually also the Wi-Fi state. It says connected, to which SSID you are connected to, the signal strength of your Wi-Fi network, and the local IP address of the Wi-Fi interface. And at the same time, if you have also your Ethernet cable plugged in, you have of course a local IP wired address. How you can run the upgrade to firmware version 5.3. This is another important topic. You can do it from here, from the portal. So just select your the latest firmware available and click on OK. And you have two options now. One is wait 4 a.m. the next morning. The upgrade is run automatically, or simply power cycle your device. So switch it back off and back on to apply to force the upgrade to run. Another way is to go to our website, barrix.com. In the download section, you can type RetailPlayer, and as a first result, you have the firmware. If you click, the package will be downloaded, and you can update the device from the web user interface in the update section. Just click here and follow the instructions. I hope this video was useful for you, and don't hesitate to contact us for any support in this regard. Thank you very much.